Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this video I want to tell you how to install Debian on Virtualbox. The first step, open the Virtualbox application. Open. After that, click New to install the new Debian. Click Next. Setting name and operating system. Type Linux, version Debian 64 bit. Then click Next. After that, specify RAM. For RAM can be adjusted to our laptop or PC. Then click Next. Next, select Create a virtual hard disk now. Click Create. Next, choose the hard disk type. Here I choose the FDI type or Virtualbox disk image. Then click Next. Storage on physical hard disk. Select dynamically allocated. Click Next. Determine the size of the hard disk. I give the hard disk size 100 GB. Then click Create. The next step, we set the network to be a host-only adapter. Click Setting. Click Network. Change to host-only adapter. Then click Advanced. Change to Allow All. Then click OK. Next, click Storage. Then enter the Debian ISO file. Then click Next. The next step, click Start. Please wait. Next, click Next, select Install, enter. Next, select a language. I select English. Next, select your location. I select Other, Asia, and select Indonesia. Next, configure locate Configure locales. Country to base default local setting on. I select United States. Keymap to use American English. Please swipe. Continue without a default route. Select no. Network configuration method. Select configure network manually. Enter. The next step, create an IP address. If so, click continue. Netmask default, gateway default, click continue. Name server address default, continue. Please wait. The next step, create a host name. Here I use my name. Then continue. Domain name default. Next, create a root password. Then continue. Re-enter password to verify. Continue. Next, create a full name for the new user. Then continue. Username for your account. I use my full name. Continue. Next, choose a password for the new user. Continue. Re-enter password to verify. Continue. Wait, this is loading. Next, configure the clock. Select a city in your time zone. I choose Western. Okay, the next step, partition this. Partitioning method, select manual, select SCS, enter. Create new empty partition table on this device, select yes. After that, choose preload. How to use this free space, select create new partition, enter. Next, give a new partition size. I give a partition size of 50 GB. Then click continue. Type for the new partition, select primary. Location for the new partition, select beginning. Finish it creating the first partition. Select done setting up the partition. Next, create a second partition. Select preload. Select create a new partition. Then giving the second partition size. Here I give the partition size of 2 GB. Then continue. Type for the new partition, select logical. Location for the new partition, select beginning. Next, to use as a swipe area. Swipe area, enter, and done setting up the partition. Then create a third partition. Select preload. Select create a new partition, and partition size default. Click continue. Type for the partition, select primary. After that, change the mount point to data. Select enter manually. Change to data. Then continue. Use as, change to X3. And done setting up the partition. Enter. Partition this, finish. Select finish partitioning and write change to this. Enter. Write the change to this. Select yes. Please wait. This is loading. Okay, the next step. Configure the package manager. Scan another CD or DVD, select no. Use a network mirror, select no. Please wait. Please wait. This is loading, configuring apt. Please wait. Please wait. This is loading, configuring apt. Mohon ditunggu. Okay, next step. Participate in the package usage survey, select no. Then, at this stage, we only fill in the final part, namely standard system utilities. This spasi, spasi, and enter. Please wait. Okay, next. Install the group bootloader to the master boot record. Select yes. Device for bootloader installation. Select SDA. Enter. Installation is complete. Then click continue. Next, log in to the user that has been created. Next, re-enable the network. That is, change it to a bridge adapter. Open Virtualbox, click setting, click network, host only adapter change to bridge adapter. Then click OK. Next, ping to internet. Enter. Okay, next. Install SSH. Yaitu type apt install SSH and enter. Type E, enter. Klik device, optical drive, masukkan file ISO Debian and enter. Okay, next. After that, open aplikasi putih. Open. Enter IP address. Klik save. Klik load. And klik open. After that, klik accept. Okay, next. We login to user. After that, ping to internet. Enter. Okay, install Debian on Virtualbox finish. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.